This is Alexander Vujcich, the 8th fastest Megaminx solver in the world, Megaminx and 2x2 national champion, and the current Oceanic record holder for Megaminx of 30.32 seconds. He got that record when he was 12 years old, so let's see how fast he is 1 year later. It's been 1 year since his OCR and he's averaging top 5 in the world. If he continues to practice, he will break the world record in 2 years. Good luck, Alexander, and I hope you can get the world record.
Let's go.
Please like and subscribe so that Alexander will get world record.